The workshop series of house-made products here at Displays to Go really separates us from our competitors. Let's take a quick look at the process that goes into creating one of our best-selling products. Don't look now. Here's our shop lead, Richard Hoffman. Say hello, Rick.
Hello, Rick.
So where do we begin?
Every piece is precision cut on our computerized panel saw.
Safety first.
Now it's my job to cut the angles and drill the holes and route the notches and install the thermal inserts.
Let's not forget to get a nice polish on that. Looks good from here, Rick. Now that every piece is finished, it's time to see it all get assembled.
Hey, have you guys met Rui?
Hey, I'm Rui.
So Rui, how do we assemble this podium?
We can grab the front shield, put it together with the bolts, we'll put the back shield on. We'll grab the metal uprights, then we'll place them along the sides of the front and back shield. And then we put the base on, tilt it over, put plastic caps on it. Then we can get the top, screw it from the bottom up, put the lip on.
And that's just one of many great solutions from the workshop series that we produce in-house at Displays to Go's headquarters in Fall River, Massachusetts.